Hello, Craig here, also known as Poolside Dreamer. This is May 20th, 2023. This over here is the harvest I've gotten off of 3 dark pots. And definitely nothing to write home about. However, here is the harvest I've gotten off of this 1 white bucket, and it was planted later than the other potatoes in buckets and pots. So those who have said that growing in white containers might help my harvest, appears that they were correct. Although there is nothing to write home about here. That's the seed potato. It's still significantly better than the 3 containers that I had that were dark. So I've got a few more to empty and we'll get back with you. Side note here, these are the tops of the ones that were in that bucket. Definitely dying out due to the heat. It's up in the hundreds, low 100s now some days, and high 90s on others. So be back shortly. I'm gonna empty this bucket. It's only about half full. And we'll see what kind of harvest I get out of this one. Hopefully it's as good or better than the, ooh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. So definitely in this Arizona heat, white containers do better than dark containers. I did run across in the other containers several that had rotted. So it just didn't survive in this heat. Anyway, I've said that before. Okay. Trash. More trash. Seed tater. It's weeds. Woo, weeds. Okay, I'll dump this and get back with you. And there wasn't any more on that harvest. There wasn't any more on that harvest to speak of, maybe one more. But this is comprising the second bucket. Second white bucket. So, compared to 3 buckets, black buckets and 2 of the white buckets, white is definitely the way to go. You know, it's getting too dark to harvest anymore tonight. I'm gonna water everything in and then call it a night. Catch you next time. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Bye.